Janet and Lambert, my boss, and Susan Nichols from Propel Biosciences did a great job of highlighting some of these things at the plenary session here at the Advanced Therapies meeting. I'm also, my particular area of interest and passion is manufacturing, and of course, and I'm very excited to see the number of companies that are getting focused on technology specifically to advance manufacturing. I think that's an area that's really blowing up in the field, and working towards truly closed automated systems and really realizing the true benefits of automation. And I think that's something that we're going to see, over the next several years really start to have an impact in the field. Coming back to the first question, I think there's a degree, without getting too specific about what types of standards are required, in order to implement these systems, there needs to be a degree of standardization and understanding about best practices. So, when companies are looking to bring these systems in and employ them, they kind of know what the baseline rules are. So I think that's an important part, in my opinion, of the implementation of automation.